When to use getComputedStyle or Element.style in JavaScript. Have you ever wondered when to use getComputedStyle or Element.style in JavaScript? This is a common question for those diving into web development. Let's break it down in a straightforward way. Element.style is your go-to when you want to access or change the inline styles of an element. Inline styles are those that you set directly on an element using the style attribute or through JavaScript. For example, if you write element.style color is equal to red, you can easily read that back with element.style color. However, keep in mind that element.style will not show styles that come from external CSS files or styles set by classes. If a color is set by a CSS class, element.style will not reflect that value. On the other hand, getComputedStyle is a method that gives you the computed styles of an element after all styles have been applied. This includes inline styles, internal styles, external styles, and even browser default styles. For instance, if you use window, getComputedStyle element color, you will get the actual color displayed on the element, regardless of how it was set. This method is particularly useful when you need to know the final appearance of an element on the page. So, when should you use each? Use element.style when you want to read or modify the inline styles directly set on an element. This is especially handy for dynamically changing styles with JavaScript or checking what inline styles exist. In contrast, use getComputedStyle when you need to know the final rendered style of an element. This is essential for reading styles that are not inline or for calculations that depend on the actual layout and appearance. For example, if you want to measure an element's width or color as it appears on the page, getComputedStyle is the way to go. From a practical standpoint, getComputedStyle is often used in DOM manipulation. When you want to react to styles that are not inline, this method provides a reliable way to access the true visual styles after all CSS processing. Additionally, getComputedStyle returns a live CSS style declaration object with all resolved property values as strings. You can access these values via property names or with the getPropertyValue method. In contrast, element.style is a CSS style declaration reflecting only inline styles and can be directly modified. In summary, choose element.style for inline style manipulation and getComputedStyle for reading computed styles after all CSS is applied. Understanding this distinction is key for effective DOM style manipulation in web development.